Happy Friday! Hope you guys are having an awesome week. We are going to jump right into things, so make sure that you're prepared for everything you need for class, which will probably be your math notebook or math binder, paper pencil, and charged Chromebook. Thank you, Natalia, for our laugh for today, and a good little reminder about what absolute value is. Today we're going to do a quick check about our understanding of equations, so you will have a chance to show me what you know during today's assignment. Before we get into today's assignment, let's start off with a little mental math warm-up. You're going to start with 5 and increase by 27. Split it in half. Divide by 4, and finally subtract 4. And you should have ended up with 0. Feel free to rewind and try that one again. This week we've been talking all about equations, balancing equations, one-step equations, two-step equations, looking at patterns within tables involving equations. So you're going to do a quick check for your assignment today, and I'm going to ask that this week you don't work with someone from class during the quick check. I just want to see your own thinking. So do your best. As always, let me know what questions you have, or if something didn't make sense, just shoot me an email or comment on the document. As a reminder, assignments are now all housed in Google Classroom, so you'll find today's quick check linked in Google Classroom with today's date under topics of equations. So when you go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, and you'll see the equations topic there. Also, make sure you're hopping onto Prodigy for 15 or 20 minutes, trying to do that about twice a week. If you have forgotten or lost your username or password, remember I shared them with you in Google Drive before we started distance learning. So if you go to Google Drive, go to Shared with Me, and search for Phillips or search for Prodigy, you will find your username or password there. Have a wonderful Friday. Have a great weekend. I miss you guys. Thanks for another awesome week. I really appreciate all that you're doing and your smiles and your positivity every day. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you back here bright and early on Monday. All right, as always, email me if you have any questions. Bye.